வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி 3rd லெசன் வேர்ல்டு வார். அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். When did the Japanese formally sign off their surrender? Option A, 2nd September 1945. Who initiated the form of League of Nations? Option C, Woodrow Wilson is the correct answer. Where was the Japanese Navy defeated by the US Navy? Option B, Battle of Midway is the correct answer. Where did the US drop its first atomic bomb? Option C, Hiroshima is the correct answer. Who were mainly persecuted by Hitler? Option D, Jews. Which Prime Minister of England who signed the Munich Pact with Germany? Option A, Chamberlain. When was the Charter of UN signed? Option B, June 26, 1945 is the correct answer. Filling the blanks, Hitler attacked Heinland, which was the demilitarized zone. The alliance between Italy, Germany and Japan is known as Rome-Berlin-Tokyo Axis. Roosevelt started the Lease program. Britain Prime Minister Chamberlain resigned in 1940. Radar is a device used to find out the enemy aircraft from a distance. Next one, choose the correct answer. Assassin President Roosevelt released then the United States had to change their policy of isolation. Option A, both A and R are correct. Next one, match the following. Blitzkrieg, Lightning Strike, Royal Navy, Britain, Lend-Lease, Roosevelt, Valgo, Stalingrad, Guadalcanal, Solomon Island. Who were the three prominent dictators of the post-World War I? Mussolini, Hitler, Franco. How did Hitler get the support from the people of Germany? Hitler was able to exploit the general discontent among the Germans and rose to power. He was gifted with great oratorial skills and was able to sway the people by impassioned speeches. The fundamental platform on which Hitler built his support was the notion of the racial superiority of the Germans as the pure Aryan race and the deep-seated hatred of Jews. Describe the Pearl Harbor incident. In December 1941, Japan attacked American naval base in Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, without warning. Many battleships and numerous fighter planes of America were destroyed. The United States declared war on Japan, with Britain and China also going in. What do you know a beverage report? In 1942, the report commonly known as the Beverage Report was published in the United Kingdom. The report proposed a series of measures which the government should provide to the citizen. It includes adequate income, health care, education, housing and employment to overcome poverty and diseases, which were the major impediments to general welfare. Name the Bretton Woods Twins. World Bank, International Monetary Fund. What are the objectives of IMF? To foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, reduce poverty around the world. Name the effects of the World War II. New geopolitical power alignment. The world was polarized into two main blocks and was led by superpowers. One led by the United States with the pronounced anti-communist ideology and the other by the Soviet Russia. Europe was divided into two, namely communist and non-communist. Nuclear proliferation. The United States and the Soviet Union entered into the race of nuclear-powered weapons. They built a large stockpile of such weapons. Defense spending key rocketed in many countries. International agencies. Many international agencies, in particular the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund, came into existence. They became a forum for the countries large and small. Decolonization. Colonial powers were forced to give independence to former colonies in the process of decolonization. United Nations structure. The Charter of the United Nations was signed on June 26, 1945 by 51 nations. Now the United Nations has 193 member states. General Assembly. In the General Assembly is the body in which each member state is represented. It meets once a year and issues of interest and points of conflict are discussed in the Assembly. Security Council. The Security Council has 15 members. 5 countries, the United States, Britain, France, Russia and China are the permanent members. There are 10 temporary members who are elected in rotation. Each of the permanent members has the right to veto any decision by the other members of the Security Council. Administrative structure. The executive wing of the United Nations is the UN Secretariat. It is headed by the Secretary General, who is elected by the General Assembly on the recommendation of the Security Council. The Secretary General, along with his cabinet and other officials, runs the United Nations. The International Court of Justice, headquartered at The Hague in Holland, is the judicial wing of the United Nations. Other important organs of the UN: Food and Agriculture Organization, World Health Organization, UN's Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, United Nations Children Fund, United Nations Development Program. Activities of UN. Decolonization. In 1960s, decolonization was an important issue. Human rights, the problems of refugees, climate change, gender equality are all now within the ambit of the activities of the United Nations. UN Peacekeeping Force. A special mention must be made of the UN Peacekeeping Force, which has acted in many areas of the conflict all over the world. The Indian Army has been impact part of the Peacekeeping Force.